Manage and export recordings. You can manage your recordings from within the patient folder. When a patient has been selected from the patient's list, all recordings of this specific patient appear. The note of a recording, if existent, is displayed below the recording entry and adapted to the first 2 lines if the text is too long. To see the note in full length, tap on the More button and the full text will appear. If you want to delete a recording, swipe to the left to open the submenu Note Delete and tap on Delete. The menu item Note enables editing of the note. To start a new recording for the selected patient, tap the New Recording button at the bottom right corner of the screen. The patient will be set active and the view will be switched to recording.